Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do Sound English task of day 6. We are going to revise page number 20. So open your Sound English book, page number 20. So let's start reading. Read Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to read the sounds with O. O. What is the sound of O? O. So we will do column number 1 and column number 2. So look at the first column. Which sound is given? B. O. When we combine the sound of B with O, it will become Bo. Single sound will be Bo. Now we will join the sound bo with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word of first column. Bo, b, bob. Bo, b, bob. Second word is bo, g, bog. Bo, g, bog. Let's repeat it. B, o, bo. Bo, b, bob. Bo, g, bog. Come to the second column. C sound is k, O sound is O. When we combine these two sounds, when we join these two sounds, it will become single sound kho. K, O, kho. Now we will join the sound kho with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word of second column. Kho, b, khob. Kho, b, khob. Next word kho, d, khod. Next word kho, g, khog. Kho, p, khop. Kho, t, khot. Let's repeat our today's task. Start from first column. Bo, b, bob. Bo, g, bog. Let's revise second column. Kho, kho. Kho, b, khob. Kho, d, khod. Kho, g, khog. Kho, p, khop. Kho, t, khot. Now we are going to read column number 3 and 4. Sounds with O. Look at the column number 3. Sound of D, O will become do. When we join the sound of D and O, it will become a single sound do. So let's join the sound do with other letters or other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word in this column. Do, g, dog. Do, g, dog. Next word. Do, n, don. Do, n, don. Third word is do, t, dot. Do, t, dot. Let's repeat this column. Do, o, do. Do, g, dog. Do, n, don. Do, t, dot. Come to the column number 4. Here is the sound of g and o. When we combine the sound of g, o, it will become go. It will become single sound of go. Let's join the sound of go with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word of column number 4. Go, d, God. Go, d, God. Next word is go, to, got. Go, to, got. Let's repeat these two columns. Do, g, dog. Do, n, don. Do, t, dot. Next column. Go, d, God. Go, t, got. So students, repeat it 1 or 2 times at your homes. Now we are going to do column number 5. Look at the column number 5. Which sounds are given? L, O, lo. When we combine the sound of L and O, it will become a single sound lo. So let's join the sound lo with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word of this column. Lo, b, lob. Lo, b, lob. Next word is lo, g, log. Lo, g, log. Next word lo, p, lop. lop, lop. Last word of this column is lot, lot. Lot, lot. Let's revise this column again. Lob, lob. Log, log. Lop, lop. Lot, lot. Come to the next column. Sound of p and o. When we join these two sounds, it will become po. Let's join the sound po with other sounds to make new words. Look at the first word of this column. Pod, pod. Pod, pod. Next sound. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Last word of this column is pot, pot. Pot, pot. Come to the last column. Here we will join the sound of r and o. It will become ro. R, o, ro. R, o, ro. So let's join the sound ro with other sounds. Ro, b, rob. Ro, d, rod. Ro, t, rot. Let's revise our today's lesson. Lo, lob, lob. Log, log. Lop, lop. Lot, lot. Next column. Po, pod, pod. Pop, pop. Pot, pot. Ro, rob, rob. Rod, rod. Rot, rot. So students, it was your today's lesson. Now we have completed all 7 columns of this page. So you will revise it at your home. The activity. Find these words in the list above. So here are some pictures and we will find these words in the lists given above. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a dog. So where you can find the word dog? In the sound of do. Look at the column of do, third column. Yes, here it is. The first word is dog, dog. Dog, dog. So you will circle the word dog. Now look at the next picture. What is it? It's a pot. So where we can find the word pot? You can check the list of sound po. Look at the column of po. Yes, the last word is pot, pot. Pot, pot. So you will circle word pot. Next picture is of cot. What is it? It's a baby cot. So where we can find the word cot? Yes, we can find in the column of co. So look at the second column. Where is the word cot? Yes, the last word is coat, coat. Coat, cot. So circle the word cot in the column of sound co. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a log. So where we can find the word log? Yes, in the column of sound low. Look at the column of low. Yes, the second word is log, log. Log, log. We will circle the word log. Log, log. Let's circle it. Now last picture is of pod. Here is a pod of P. So where we can find the word pod? Yes, in the column of sound po. Let's check the column of sound po. Yes, here is the word pod, pod. Pod, pod. So circle the word pod. So we have completed our activity. Now we are going to make some sounds, to make some nonsense words with sound O. Nonsense words mean they are meaningless words. They don't have any meaning. So let's read these words with sound O. Look at the first column. Let's read it. No, b, knob. When we combine the sound of n and o, it will become a single sound. No, b, knob. Look at the next word of this column. Lo, m, lom. Lo, lom. We will combine first two sounds as a single sound. We will read it as a single sound like bo, n, bon. In second column, first word is bo, n, bon. Next word of second column, so, m, som. So, m, som. Come to the third column, fo, n, fon. Fo, n, fon. Next word, so, f, sof. So, f, sof. Next column, so, g, sog. So, g, sog. Mo, t, mot. Mo, t, mot. Next column, wo, p, wop. Wo, p, wop. Po, n, pon. Po, n, pon. Come to the last column, po, l, pol. Po, l, pol. Last word is to, g, tog. To, g, tog. So students, it was your today's task. Revise it at home, and after revising it one time, when you will complete your work, you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.